So I got one of these things. I think they got like a hydrometer. Basically, it tells you the temperature inside the house and the humidity level. Well, as you can see, it's not working, and I got some batteries in it. So I'm going to try to figure out what the problem is and if I can fix it. And I have a hunch, just from my experience with other devices, that there's some corrosion happening here. But the first thing is I'm going to check these batteries. So I got my battery tester. Fun fact, this is the same tester I've had since I was 8 years old. Still have it, still works. So I'm going to go ahead and put these batteries in. That one's good. And then I'll put this one in. And this one is also good. So I know it's not the batteries. Now, if you look inside here, I don't know if I can see it, but there's a lot of corrosion going on. So I think what I have to do is remove that to get this to work again. Now, I heard about this hack online to get rid of this, and what you have to do, believe it or not, is take some table salt, which I got some here, just sprinkle that in there. Let me see if this works. I don't know if this is going to work, folks, but this is what I saw on the internet. So they said take some table salt, and then you want some lemon juice, and drop that on there. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a little squirt. Now I'm just going to go and move that around a little bit. And then I'm going to take this piece of tin foil and see if I can just start scraping it. Maybe I can get that connection back again. Okay, now I'm just drying the inside, trying to get rid of all that lemon juice. I hope it didn't get into the other components, but I'm pretty desperate at this point. I hope this thing will come back to life. I don't want to buy another one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the batteries back in. And look at that. Oh my God. It's back to life. So there's a quick little hack. If you need to get rid of some corrosion, all you need is a little bit of lemon juice. For some reason, they say sprinkle with salt. If anybody knows why, let me know. But that shows you right there that you can bring it back to life. So happy I don't have to buy a new one of these. These are actually really handy to kind of check what your indoor temperature. It's got a magnet, so I just stick this on the fridge. And yeah, there you go. I'm pretty happy, folks. A hack that actually works. This makes my day.